Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I make this smoky Nigeria Suya Jollof Rice, please watch to the end of the video and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Try making or eating mouth-watering Suya Jollof Rice. Hi guys, welcome to Foodie Spots. So here are my ingredients. Please, if you want to learn how I make this mouth-watering Suya Jollof Rice, please stay with me to the end of the video. So this is my suya spice, my onion, my tomato, my thyme, my all-purpose seasoning, my salt, my spicy tea, my genial jollof paste, my suya, that's the main ingredients of the day, my meat stock, my curry, my seasoning cube, my rice, my vegetable oil, my tatashi and pepper, my veggies and jollof rice spice, which is my new signature, and nutmeg sachet and garlic and ginger. So if you want to make a smoky jollof rice, you have to heat it up. So this is me putting it in the microwave because I want to roast it so that it will give me that burst of flavors in my jollof rice. So you just clean your peppers and your tomatoes and align them with your ginger, onion, garlic, and align them. Then put it inside your oven to roast, or if you have air fryer, you can use air fryer for it. So this is me here prepping my ingredients, my spring onions, my onion, my carrots, and all the veggies I'll be using for this mouth-watering smoky suya jollof rice. So this is my carrots, my peas, my butter. This is my onion. This onion consists of my spring onion and the main onion. So my tomato paste. So here my pepper mix, I'm done roasting them, so I have to blend all together. So me, I don't like to parboil my rice. Sometimes I just wash my rice and put it here, but here I was just trying to extract the starch in it. Just boil your hot water, pour it in your rice, then strain it out immediately and wash your rice. So here we're about to start making this jollof rice. So here is our oil. You heat your oil, put your onion inside, your bay leaves, your curry, your ginger and garlic paste, just to build up flavors, because this will give you sweet aroma in your kitchen. In fact, your neighbors will come knocking. So after frying it for a little bit, here is my thyme, and the next one coming is my curry. So after putting it in the pot, you have to turn it, for the thing to fry a bit before you come in with your tomato paste. So this is my tomato paste. I will just fry it. Then when the thing looks as if it's burning, but not burnt, like just small burning, then you will now add your roasted pepper mix, which consists of your garlic, ginger, and water that we roasted earlier. Then you pour it into the oil and fry. You have to fry your tomato paste very well so that it will not be tasting raw. So this is my salt, my all-purpose seasoning. Try to season the tomato. Then you turn it together. The next coming in is my suya, the main man of the match. By this time, your neighbor should come knocking. Or people will just be wondering who is making this rice or this fry that is disturbing our neighborhood or our compound. So that's my suya spice. You need to add suya spice. If you can make yours in the house, that's fine, but if you can't make, you can go to Aboki and get it, all these malam where they sell things for market. So you will just fry and make sure your tomato is well fried before you go in with your meat. So here, me and my husband, we don't like fry, so that's why I didn't put the meat in the oven or even fry it. I just put it inside the tomato because I want it to infuse flavor too. So I just fry. After frying it for a bit, I have to remove it back. I'll be adding it back later. So this is me putting my jollof rice spices, which is Maggi signature and this nutmeg. Meanwhile, I've removed my meat. So this is spicy tea. After adding it, you just have to add your meat stock right away because your tomato have fried enough so that it will not get burnt. it should be looking burnt small but not burn. So this is my Maggi. After adding it, you just allow everything to come to a boil. Before you add your rice, make sure that your tomato, you cover it for it to boil very well. So this is me putting my rice. You turn for everything to cooperate together and marry, so I don't want ingredients to marry each other. Then you cover it to cook. So I'm prepping my ingredients for my coleslaw. That is my salad. So I don't like stressing myself. I use this manual chopper to chop everything. That's my garbage. I'm chopping it. You will see how it looks. So my rice is almost done. I now added my onion and my butter. This is when you need to add it. After it, then remember that other my meat that I removed, not the suya, because the suya is still inside the rice. So these are my meat that I removed earlier. I'm adding it back for everything to cook and infuse and mix together. So after cooking for a bit, at this point my rice is ready. So this is me adding my veggies. I don't like too much veggies in my jollof rice, so that's why I just added a little. So after the thing cooking, just say for like 2 minutes. So you just have to mix. This is me mixing my rice together so everything will cooperate together. I'm prepping for my coleslaw. That's my salad, my carrot, and my cucumber. So this me frying plantain because I just jollof rice without plantain. I don't like eating jollof rice without plantain. Even me and my husband would like plantain in our jollof rice or fried rice. So this is it, guys. See how my jollof rice is looking, guys. You need to have a taste of this. Please try this recipe and tell me how it feels, how it tastes in the comment section, please, guys. Try it out and let me know. It's so sweet, so yummy, for mouth watering, everything you can think of. You see this, right? I ate like 2 plates or more than self. Even my husband kept asking for more. So that's my salad. I finished mixing it. So this is the food. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you. Please like, share, and follow for more.